So I have so much to do today. I gotta get the oil changed on the car because it's time. Talk to a friend to set up a meeting so I can get one of these things that I've heard about. I think they're called jobs, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. There's a project that we've been talking about, me and a few of my friends, and we're gonna meet up at 5 to do the project. Let's get started. Get the oil changed. Next, wait for that dude to call about the job. Make that thing with my friends. Pretty much everything that I had planned for today got canceled or just never happened. Some days I start off thinking I'm going to be busy and then nothing happens. And just when I thought all is lost and I wasn't gonna have any content for you today, this showed up at my door. So instead of all that other stuff that we were gonna do today, today's gonna be a Lootcrate unboxing. So Lootcrate saved the day today. Thanks for watching. But first, like and subscribe. Blah, blah, blah.